Hello and welcome. In some of my previous videos I have shown you how to disassemble and clean front shock absorber, but I never show you how to completely assemble it, to install spring. Now to install this spring and this upper special bolt and all the small parts, you will need to have something like this, some sort of a tool. So you install shock absorber and I use these two nuts, and then this part will press down the spring until you will be able to install parts on this. So you have this upper part of the shock absorber. These two are the rubber rings. Now there is a hole here, and this part is here to block shock absorber from falling out, because once when you start pressing this spring, the spring will be loaded and it can happen that this part will flip left or right and it can hurt you. So you need to secure lower part, and the upper part will be secured with this one. So now install this spring. There is also this bolt, this nut. Now this part, and as you can see, there is no, this part is still invisible, so you need to press the spring. And now the shock absorber is secured. Now this part goes, and there is usually two nuts. One is normal, and this one has this. This is a safety nut. So the safety nut goes second. And you need this tool to completely screw these nuts. You will need impact wrench. And that's it. Now there are some other methods of to finishing this assembling, but I think this one is one of the most safest, because if this spring hit you or someone else, it can hurt pretty badly. So I wouldn't do this without without tool. It is not hard to make this. There is nothing special about it. Quite simple, I think. Maybe half hour of your time and some little bit of welding, and it will be complete. And you can also use this tool for rear shock absorber for Super Max or Maxi. You will only need to have this part a little bit different, so you can install rear and front shock absorbers. Well, that would be all for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in next one. Bye.